am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am. I am. I am blessed. 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 I am. I am. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. To all my returning subscribers, guys, tell me about the intro. Honest opinion. Everybody, new and oldies. Chevy gang, how's the intro? Comment down below, 1 out of 10. Comment down below. I need your honest opinion. Don't BS me, don't, because you know me. Yeah, comment down below. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Hubby just called me. We are going to Devon House later, and then tomorrow we're going to watch a play. Now, yes, I took off my wig. This morning I woke up, the wig was lifting. I've been trying to re-glue it with the Ebin spray that I have, but it's not sticking. So I just took it off. I was thinking to install a wig that I got from Shein. It's a mixed fiber wig, but I don't have any glue, so I would have to get some glue. I don't have the necessary things that I need to do like a wig install. I've been watching some videos, so I'm gonna have to get the necessary things to do the install. But in the meantime, we're gonna throw on my Afro wig for tonight. Probably have to throw it on for tomorrow too. I'm not sure. I was trying to reach out to my cousin to see if she can install my wig for me today, but she's busy. She's fully booked. I don't know who else to go to. That isn't probably fully booked right now. Like, this is my intro. Oh my gosh, it's my intro. I'm a whole YouTuber. I can't stop looking at the intro. It's not perfect, alright, and nothing's going to be perfect, but to me it's put together really good. The only thing I wanted was like the end part where my name was coming. I wanted that to be a little bit better. And guys, meet my husband. You guys see my husband in the intro. You guys haven't really seen him on the vlogs, but there he is in the intro. That doesn't mean that he will be in the vlogs. He was okay with doing the intro, but that doesn't mean that he'll be on all the vlogs or in all the videos. I'm respecting his privacy, his personal space. Remember, this is my channel. This is not necessarily about me and my family. This is mostly about me, but they are a part of me, so they will be in my videos every now and then, right?
Wait, play this one.
So we reached Devon House, but my husband get catch up in a bubble party that he never expected to have.
Like Piper.
And these kids are having the time of their lives.
Ice cream.
Come here, Jay.
You're so funny. He told me like I was there when he bought the computer. He ordered it to my house where I'm doing my job right now. And I'm like, why do you have so many computers? Because he ordered one for himself. Yeah, right. He ordered one for Cheryl for Christmas. And He was like, oh, this is from your cousin. She's gonna start a YouTube channel. I'm like, oh, that's nice.
Jamie, come!
I gotta send me the link. And you literally did it like the next day. So that's
No, I just started. I've been doing it for like a year now. I've just been doing it with my phone.
$6, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. Today's Sunday. A very not hectic, but yeah, a very Sunday. A very Sunday. I really wanted to go to church this morning, but hubby had to rush out and go do something, so it's the boys and I think it's too late for us to go to church. 11 o'clock. If we go to church, we're literally getting the end of service, and I don't want that. Guys, so I did a thing. I tried a thing. I'm just letting it melt a bit, and then we'll come back to it. Things that I want to accomplish for 2026 is definitely this. Learning how to do this on my own. Learning how to install a wig on my own is on my bucket list. So I'm gonna look for a good hot comb. I'm gonna look for all the things that I need to accomplish a good install. And then we'll go from there. Maybe not right now, but it is something that I want to accomplish. Yeah. But I'll soon show you guys what it looked like. I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner now for the boys. It's 1:52. Alright guys, so here's the install. Here is the install, okay? Remember, it's my first official install, okay? It does not look perfect. We didn't get everything down. This side refuses to stay down, and I just decided that I'm no longer gonna fight with it. I tried to tuck the hair back. I need to get some clips. Because this is something, as I said, this is something I really want to invest in. So if I can, you know, like a case like I wanted to get my hair done, I don't have to think about, oh, I need to get to a hairdresser to get my hair done. No, I can stay home and do it myself. I had a bit of problem right here where the glue, when I lifted up the band, it had a little bit of white cast. I don't know, I should have researched what I should have done at that time, but I just put foundation over it. I feel like the foundation is too light, but also I feel like it's matching me. I don't know. I feel like everything that could go wrong wanted and tried to go wrong, but listen, it's our first time, so I'm not gonna beat up myself. If it looks bad, as I feel like it looks too bad, I'm going to put on my headband and go, okay? If I feel like it looks too bad, I will get my black scarf and wrap up my hair, wrap it up and style it in a way and go, okay? Because I am not going to be stressing myself about this week, okay? We will figure it out. Alright guys, so here is the fit of the evening.
She's a bad mama jamma.
Everything Shein. Shoes, boots, Shein. Top, Shein. Pants, Shein. Under, top, Shein. Only me, not Shein. And the hair, not Shein. The hair is Love Me hair. But yeah, I'm here waiting on hubby. And hubby's going to be in trouble because his uncle specifically told him, don't be late. They'll be late. And hubby's late. Hubby's making us late. I'm ready. I had to cook, I had to clean, I had to do everything, and I'm ready. I made sure I iron his clothes, made sure I look for what he's going to wear, iron it, put it down. It's his fault we're late, but just gotta wait. So I'll see you guys when I reach the play.
Guys going to the play? You know which way it is?
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
Thank you. Listen, I'm not the only one, okay? You gotta dress to impress. You gotta dress like you're gonna meet somebody important. Oh, good. And the boots are comfortable. They're not uncomfortable at all.
If you want us to spend our first night together in 8 years, away from the crowd.
Okay, Boomsy. I am going to come clean.
Come clean.
You did dirty?
No, we don't hear it no more.
Good evening, good evening.
And my nephew, big up himself, and his wife. Courtney. Danger. He was the first one at the show.
Thank you.
You make you rethink when you have to give woman money for bill house again still. No, the other.
Was the other petal?
Yeah.
You showed me one that was kind of like a square.
Yeah, but if I buy Chevrolet, show overdue fairing.
It's not that big of a deal.
She know you care, she care feet, but she act like she don't care feet.
I just get all of this to the menu.
Alright, sure.
But telling the stuff I'm gonna have on a business on that year.
Well, tonight was a good night. People were staring at me, of course. You know, I didn't expect people not to stare because I'm not dressed the ordinary way. Is that the word I'm looking for? Probably. I was expecting people to stare. Didn't really bother me, to be honest, because listen, I am learning that, Chev, we all don't have to dress the same. We all don't have to look the same. I'm learning to stop paying attention to people's eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. No, the play was 10 out of 10. Get your tickets, go and watch that play. The play was 10 out of 10. It was a privilege to go backstage and, meet the cast. I did not, if you guys notice the angle, I did not really want to have my camera all up in their face because, they're just coming off stage and they're probably tired and, so I was just trying to be very discreet. We did get to go backstage, meet them, talk with them a little bit, send pictures with them and everything. So that was really good. Play was good. Then we went to Pepper Time, had some dinner, laughed, cackle. Yeah, we had a time. A time was had. Let me tell you, my in-laws, when God was giving away good in-laws, I was first in line. When God was giving away good in-laws, I was first in line. I have the best, okay? I have the best in-laws in this world. The best. I have no complaints. So we have come to the end of the vlog. I will see you guys on whichever other day that I see you guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Sharing is caring. Bye.